Good morning, everybody, and živeli. Good one. It's weekend. I'm working on my coffee, and I got something in the mail, so that's what I want to talk about with you. Are you gonna say, how do you get mail in the RV? Well, basically, it was on my Las Vegas address, and I forwarded that to Los Angeles, to address of my friend who lives here in RV Park in Anaheim. He just delivered this to me. Nice guy. We played some poker last night, had a dinner, and how much I made? Only $100. But every plus is good. Now you're wondering, what's in this mysterious squared package? It's something new that's gonna be something new on the blog, a new gamble. Now let me tell you what it is. Let's open it. Some of you that are a little bit more technical advanced, you may recognize and you may know what I'm talking about. For the rest, let this be introduction. Maybe you learn something, maybe you jump into this adventure. So what is it? Crypto.com debit card. Whoa! You say, stop, Mr. Vegas. What crypto? What are you talking about? No, it's a new gamble. I'm into digital crypto coins market, and I got me this card. I just want to show you the way you can get some cryptocurrency and maybe become a millionaire for free. How that works. If you open crypto.com account, so you need to download the app. It's available for iPhone and for Android phones. You cannot do it on a website. You can create an account on a website, but everything is done in the app. They don't do anything on a website. One thing I want to tell you, I studied this. This is probably one of the best security systems on this app. And let me tell you, if you invested in Bitcoin 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, when COVID started, you could be millionaire now. So I downloaded crypto.com, registered, put some money in it, bought some cryptocurrency, and then on their app, on the bottom line, there's those are menu options there, like tabs. There's a tab in the lower right corner for a credit card. I press that opens, and in a case that you are first time using the app, it will give you the option to apply for their debit card. They have 4 different cards in different colors and different levels. Depends on amount you want to invest. So how it works, you have to deposit certain amount of their currency, and let's say for the lowest level, you can have the lowest level without the investment, totally free. Then for this red card, which I think is the best deal, red card, you have just to buy $400 of their crypto coin, which abbreviation CRO, and keep it there, invested on the site, on the app, for 6 months. After 6 months, you get your 400 back, and you continue using the card. What is so great about this card? Well, every time you use it, every time is like, not really every time, but when you use the card, you get 2% back of what you spend. You get it in cryptocurrency. It's their coin, CRO. So I said, this is great. I spend for a gas like $300-400 a month, for the food another $300-400, for different stuff I spend minimum $1,000. And let's say $1,000 a month, you get 2%. That's $20 in cryptocurrency. For the year, that's $240. So that what you get rewards in crypto coins is also growing in a value. That translated in a value of that cryptocurrency, it's going to be maybe $300, $400, $500 by the end of the year. I couldn't resist. I applied for the card. Immediately, they gave me the number that I can use. Even I don't have card physically in my hand, they gave me the number, so I actually set up all my bills and utilities and whatever I have, my cell phone, my internet, I set up to pay with that debit card and get some 2% back in cryptocurrency. I already, it happened, paid one bill for my storage in Las Vegas, and they immediately show that and show you the reward. You may say, well, I don't know, that's not for me. That's fine, but it's free, and you're spending money anyways. This one is only 2%, but it can be more if you want. On those higher level cards, it's higher percentages. But I'm satisfied with 2%. There's another thing that depends on the level of the card you have. You get free Spotify. So with my card, I can get free Spotify. How it works? I just have to register on Spotify, get the account, pay it with my Red Visa card, and automatically after every monthly payment, Crypto.com will deposit to me back up to $12.99. For $12.99 you can get a two-person plan for Spotify. Higher level cards, they get free Netflix, free Amazon Prime, and some discounts on Expedia. Don't you find interesting how all those companies are supporting, like Spotify, Netflix, Amazon? So let's open the card and look at it. Oh, this is gonna be like I like doing this virgin stuff. Oh. Nothing there. Nice envelope. We get some welcome note, thank you. And then inside the envelope package, in shape of their logo, you pull this and there it is. Oh, this is cool. So we get the card. Oh my God, it is heavy. If I have a scale, I have to measure it. I have to find scale somewhere. This is metal card. Listen to this. It's made of metal. No, your plastic doesn't make the sound like this. It's metal. So basically, it's Visa with the Crypto.com logo, and you use it wherever Visa is accepted. Now, there's some restrictions. Let's say you have $1,000 here, and you go to some different website and you buy cryptocurrency, you buy Bitcoin. You're not gonna get 2% back. Why? Well, because they don't allow any financial. So I cannot pay my mortgage, cannot buy cryptocurrency or some banking transactions with this card. You can do the transaction, but you don't get the reward. So it's limited. Then I said, I don't care. My main expense is gas and food. Well, turns out it's not going to work also on gas. I think so. I didn't try yet, but when I try, I'll let you know. But I think you cannot buy gas, and they say any kind of energy, which means you cannot even pay your electric bill with it. Then you say, well, what is it good for? Well, it's good for a lot of things. Are you shopping on Amazon? Use this card. You get 2% back. Your groceries, how much you spend on groceries? Single guy, $300, $500, family, $1,000, 2% back. Anything else, you buy shoes, you buy a new t-shirt, so you don't have to wear these oversized shirts that a friend gave you, 2% back. I think I'm gonna be happy. Now, how the card works? Like I said, accept it wherever Visa is. There's a stripe on the back, there's a chip on front, so regular card. made of metal. It's so cool. It is so cool. Now, I have to activate it normally. Even I already loaded money on it using my Crypto.com app. How did I do that? Well, you need to connect your checking account from the bank with Crypto.com app and transfer money. Crypto.com has, on the app shows 3 or 4 different types of accounts. There's a crypto wallet, that's where you keep your Bitcoin or whatever other currency you have. Crypto earn, that is where you deposit to earn interest. And currently, like on stable coins that are tied to US dollars, you can get 10%. 10% interest. How much your bank pays? Fiat wallet, that is like your checking account. So you connect your checking account from your Chase bank and you transfer money into fiat wallet on the app, Crypto.com. And there's also fourth showing Visa, Crypto.com Visa. So when you open Visa, you press the top up button, you select up in the right corner fiat wallet because you're going to put cash, dollars. You can also put your from your crypto wallet if you have some currency. And then you put amount, let's say $1,000 or whatever you want to put there. Really simple. And you start using your card. Well, I'm really excited. I really like it. The idea that I get maybe $200-300 free value over the year, why not? Why not? You know, so why not to take it? It's same thing. You're walking, you see a quarter. Oh, I don't want to bend down. No. I'll take those $200-300 or whatever I spend. I'll let you know at next year, at this moment, how much did I get? How much? Depends how much I spent. Fortune is growing for free. So instead of using your Chase bank card, from Chase transfer to your red Visa and use this card. Simple. You're gonna say, that's gamble. Cryptocurrency must be some scam. Yeah, I agree. But there are some reputable companies here. So like they say, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing for your entertainment. But there's money to be made. So right now, I'm gonna give you my top 5 crypto coins that can make you millionaire from really low investment, just $100 or $200. So why am I giving you this? It's actually really for entertainment because I don't know what I'm talking about. So don't try this at home before you do some good research. But did you hear just like 3 months ago in April about Dogecoin millionaire? You remember when Elon Musk started talking and tweeting about the Doge, price went up through the roof. Dogecoin was created like a joke. And suddenly people start buying. There is so-called Dogecoin millionaire, the crazy guy who in April sold everything he had and put $250,000 in Dogecoin. Elon Musk mentioned it twice. Price went through the roof. This guy had $2.5 million. 3 weeks later, price tanked like maybe to 600,000 and then recovered back to 900,000. So he's almost there, technically millionaire. When people were giving him advice at 2.5 million to sell, he didn't. He even doesn't want to sell now when he has almost about $1 million. And everybody knows that Doge has no future. This guy is gonna still make it. There's gonna be a book deal. I read that. Also, there like a Netflix is making a movie about him. So he's gonna make it. But that example shows you that miracles can happen. What do you think if somebody like me told you 15 years ago, hey, buy for $100, buy Bitcoin. If you did that, you would have 125,000 Bitcoins. 10 years later, it made a first jump and made a like serious price of $0 $0.08 or 8 cents. At that moment, that your $100 investment in with Bitcoin would be $10,000. Today, Bitcoin is again over $40,000, and that means that your $100 investment 15 years ago would today be 5 billion with a B, capital B, B for billion and B for Bitcoin. If I told you, buy it for 100, you would say you're insane, Mr. Vegas. So here we are, 15 years later. I'm giving you, again, possible heroes or zeros. I'm gonna give you 3 that are long shot, 3 coins that are long shot, and that I am gonna buy, and I already did. I already have them, not all of them, but I'm buying for $100. 3 of them. And wait, maybe one goes somewhere. It's enough, it moves just for 1 decimal zero. Gives me back that my 300. And I'm gonna give you 2 that I personally believe, because they are good projects, I believe that they can go up, maybe be $1,000, maybe even $10,000, and then you are again in billions. So here's the chart I prepared for you, and the first coin that I suggest to buy for $100, you would get 15, almost 16 million Shiba Inu coins. Shiba Inu was created again like a joke, and they called it Dodge Killer. So just brand new, like after that success of Dodge, somebody created Shiba. If you have it for $100, those 15 million Shiba need to jump to 6 cents in order for you to have $1 million. My second coin is really long shot and needs a lot to happen for it to succeed. But I saw people, CEO and people involved with it. I think they're good guys and they're gonna create something. I'm talking about SafeMoon. But this morning I saw they're now creating SafeMoon wallet, which means it's becoming more serious. Same thing happened with Shiba Inu. It's not just coin. About a month ago, they created Shiba Swap, which is platform for investing. You invest your Shiba coins, you can bury them, you can dig them, you can loan them, you get a good interest rate, and you get rewards. People are doing it. Third one on my list is Everrise. Everrise is a serious project. I'm not expert to explain you what the project really is, but the basic idea is to protect you in inflation, deflation, and they are inventing first time buyback of the coins when they tank down, when the price goes down. So something to help to the whole world. And they're going to be first with that. It's going to be probably a year or 2 maybe for that to happen, but for project to be completed and installed and everything. But if you buy now for 100.03, same thing that happened for that first jump for Bitcoin, you get $1 million from your $100 investment today. Number 2 on my list is VeChain. VeChain is more pricey. Current price is 9 cents. Again, really affordable, but with huge potential. If you have 10,000 VeChain coins, it's going to cost you right now about $900. But if the price goes to $100, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you have $1 million. So I think it's a good gamble based on the project. There is interesting thing going on. China banned all cryptocurrency. It's illegal in China. But China is going to use VeChain technology for tracking and in manufacturing. Let's say, you know how Louis Vuitton bags are fake. You can buy it for $100 instead of for $10,000. This technology, VeChain, has a chip that will, through the factory manufacturing process, track everything and guarantee the original product. It can be implemented also in some other areas. So China right now is gonna adopt it. If that happens, it's going through the roof. Don't be late. You just need to spend $800. Spend $500. Even $100 is good enough. And my number one, my favorite, my Arabian horse, my bull is Cardano, abbreviation ADA, created by Charles Hoskins, who was on Ethereum team. He left, created Cardano. It's the main competitor for Ethereum network, and they say it's gonna be Ethereum killer. It's gonna beat it in the price. Why? Because it's much more efficient. In next few days in August, Ethereum is coming with Ethereum 2 because they are aware how inefficient their system is. They have a really high energy consumption, and that's called and the fees that you are paying for processes that run on it are really high, and that's called the gas price. Cardano, much more efficient. I'm not expert to explain it. If you want, look some YouTube videos. There's enough on that topic. But it is like 100 times more efficient, faster, and can do like millions of processes in a second. They implemented smart contracts, and that gives them advantage over Ethereum. And right now, Elon Musk is interested about it. So once Elon Musk start tweeting about Cardano, price goes through the roof. If you take all this, what I listed here, you have to invest about $2,500. You need one of these to accomplish what I just said and be a million. The rest can be a bust. You just need one of those to make it through the finish line. Golden coins start falling from the sky. A millionaire. I don't know. Is this entertaining enough for you? Do you want me to give you more crypto land stories? Let me know. And if you decide you want to get the red crypto.com Visa card, please use the link down in the description. It gives you $25 of free crypto, and also I get a couple bucks. Good luck in your investing, and adios.